Oh my goodness. Look what I got.
Oh, what is that, Annie?
That's mine.
And then is that a dress-up necklace? Wow. Can I see your skirt? Is that a tutu?
Yeah. Can I see what's in the other one?
Sure.
Oh my gosh! I can't wait to see this giant, big consommé. Let me see. I want you to take this off.
You can do it. There you go. See? Let Ev at it. That's just a coffee maker, honey. Because we've been up since 4:45. Here.
Oh.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see what's in.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Another pretty necklace.
This is mine. Bye.
What's on the floor? What's this guy?
Bye.
Ooh.